Our captain of Jamaica College, and for the very first time all season, the leader of the losing team. First of all, a rough go at it today. How are you feeling right now?
Well, I'm not going to say we're losers today, We learned a lot. It was a very successful season. So, we have to look at the positives right now. It's already gone. So, we just have to give CC them props because they were the better team today by far. And congratulations.
What do you think would have attributed to this tough loss that you guys suffered today?
Obviously, I don't want to make any excuses, but we had our Champions Cup finals a couple of days ago. But that's not an excuse, We had the proper recovery. But we just came into the game with the wrong mentality and then we just lost today. So, that's it.
Speak to us about the on-field performance. Walk us through your team's performance.
Well, obviously we're second best today. I'm not going to point fingers on anybody, but it was the team's performance today, and we just weren't up to the task today.
All right. You were one of the standout players in the Manning Cup this season, making the This or That Sports TV's Manning Cup 11. What next can we expect from Xavier Davidson?
Football. I love football so much. So whatever the next step is always going to be football. I'm going to continue on the path and hopefully I can make my family proud and my friends proud.
Any goals, aspirations, like personal that you'd like to make?
Definitely, I want to become a professional footballer in the future. So, this is not the end of the road. It's just a part of the journey, a setback that I have to get over and just get back to work.
You're one of the privileged few to captain Jamaica College, and as such you will still be a part of JC going forward for the rest of your life, I assume. What do you expect from Jamaica College next season?
Definitely, there's a lot of talent, as Jamaica College. Jamaica College is just not just a one-year team. There's always another year. We're always coming to win back what we have and just get back what we haven't. And that's just it right now.
All right. Once again, congrats on a very good season, Xavier, and good luck going forward.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.